The year 2050 will be a technological marvel, reshaping how we live, work, and interact. Imagine stepping into a world where self-driving electric cars glide through smart cities, powered by renewable energy and AI-driven traffic systems. Skyscrapers will no longer be just concrete structures but self-sustaining vertical forests, filtering air and generating their own electricity through transparent solar windows. Hyperloop transportation will revolutionize travel, making it possible to cover thousands of kilometers in mere minutes, as passengers zip through vacuum-sealed tubes at near supersonic speeds. In homes, AI-powered assistants will be fully integrated, managing everything from meal preparation to healthcare. Smart refrigerators will automatically restock groceries based on consumption patterns, while robotic chefs prepare meals tailored to your nutritional needs. Augmented reality glasses will replace smartphones, displaying holographic interfaces in mid-air, allowing people to work, communicate, and socialize through virtual screens. Healthcare in 2050 will be unrecognizable by today's standards. Nanobots will be injected into the bloodstream, capable of detecting and repairing damaged cells, effectively curing many diseases before symptoms appear. Personalized medicine based on individual genetic codes will offer tailored treatments, while advanced prosthetics with neural interfaces will provide mobility and sensory feedback, making disabilities almost obsolete. Space exploration will enter a new era. Human colonies on Mars will be a reality with self-sustaining habitats powered by solar farms and water extraction systems. Space tourism will become mainstream, with commercial spacecraft offering orbital vacations, providing breathtaking views of Earth from space. Meanwhile, asteroid mining will harvest rare minerals fueling Earth's industries with precious resources from outer space. Education will also transform dramatically. Holographic classrooms will allow students to learn from three-dimensional models, walking through ancient civilizations, or exploring the human body in vivid detail. AI-powered tutors will offer personalized learning experiences, adapting to each student's pace and needs, making education more efficient and accessible. The workplace will become fully automated, with AI handling complex data analysis, while humans focus on creativity and innovation. Collaboration will occur in virtual reality, where colleagues from around the world interact as realistic avatars in immersive digital environments. Even leisure and entertainment will be revolutionized. Interactive virtual worlds will allow people to experience lifelike adventures from their living rooms, from exploring the ocean's depths to flying over alien planets. The gaming industry will blend reality and fantasy, creating experiences indistinguishable from the real world. By 2050, the fusion of AI, robotics, and biotechnology will create a seamless blend of the digital and physical realms, making the impossible a reality and forever transforming the way humanity experiences the world.